Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to our channel Dara Tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain you how to convert MKV file format to MP4 file format without any third-party software in Windows 10 operating system. As you can see that there are lots of softwares available to convert the MKV to MP4. But if you consider the online converter, then this converter software requires lots of that will consume lot of data as well as the time consuming. As well as the offline software are concerned, like any video converter or uni converter. These softwares are paid softwares, and you need to pay some amount before using the all services. Both MP4, that is MPG4, and the MKV, that is Matroxa file format and the MPG file format 4, both are having the good quality. Both are media container, but the difference is that MP4 are widely accepted, and as in my case, I'm doing the screen recording using the OBS Studio, and by default it produces the video output in MKV format, and when I use it with the Camtasia to edit the video, that time it doesn't support MKV, so I have to convert, right? So in this video I will give you live demo how to convert MKV to MP4 without any third-party software in Windows 10 operating system. So let's start the video. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. As you can see, there is a video output file from the OBS Studio. I will check the properties of this file. This file is in MKV file format. I have to convert this file into the MP4 file format. Okay, so right click on it, open it with the Photos. Microsoft Photo is the inbuilt software with the Windows 10 operating system. If it is not there in your computer, type Photos. So this is the software. Okay, if it is not there, then you can type here Store, and you can click on the Microsoft Store. You will reach here, and on the search bar you can type Photos, and you will see Microsoft Photos, and you can download it by clicking on this software. Okay, so now coming back, so now I will open this file with the photos. I will click on the edit and create button and click on the trim button. Okay, just do the cosmetic change, okay, by trimming or by doing any editing operation. So I will just change for a second, right? Okay, now here you can see an option called save as. Click on that. So once you click on the save as button, here you can see the save as window appears, and here the file format is MP4. Okay, so give the desired name here and click on the save button. It will not take much time. Depending upon the size of your video file, it will take around 3 to 5 minutes, and it will convert your file. Now you can see on the desktop there are two files. This is the source file in the MKV file format. Okay, you can see here MKV video file format, and this is the file, the trim file, you can see, and this file is in MP4 file format. Okay, so as you have seen, without having any third-party software, I have converted a file in MKV file format to MP4 file format. So I hope you have liked the video. Please like and subscribe our video, And don't forget to subscribe our channel before leaving the video. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.